Hey everybody, welcome to CS Garage. I want to give a shout out to all of you who have liked and subscribed to my channel. If you're new to the channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. It helps to build the channel and so I can bring more content to you. Today I want to just introduce my 70 Monte Carlo build. It's my latest build. I've done 2 other restorations. This is my last one, the 70 Chevelle that I've showed you in other videos. If you're interested in seeing pictures of this 14-year restoration, let me know in the comments, and I will do a video showing those pictures. Lots of pictures to show you. But this video is about the 70 Monte Carlo you see here. It's the frame over there. Obvious frame off restoration. I've installed the quarters in the roof already and the outer wheel wells, and I've also mini tubbed it using ABC Performance mini tubs. Came out pretty good. First time doing mini tubs. Here it is from the rear. Give you an idea what they look like in there. Should be able to fit 335 or 345 series tires. Probably run a 20-inch by 12 rim. But that's for another video, hopefully not in the too distant future. The color of it, you can see this tail light extension is going to be, well, I won't tell you. It's a great color. I painted that using rattle cans and clear coat. I think it'll look great on this car. If you're interested in wanting to know what that is, I'll put it in the comments. So let me know in the comments and I will tell you exactly the manufacturer and what that color is called. Can't wait to see it, this whole car painted, which I plan to do myself. We'll see how that goes because I've never painted a car before. Yes, I did the 14-year restoration on the Chevelle here, but I did not paint it. I did all the other work and you'll see it in pictures. If you guys want to see that, let me know again. But this car, 70 Monte Carlo, is in excellent condition. I mean, no major rust other than probably the roof from a vinyl top. And I don't know what the quarters look like because the roof and the quarters were already cut off on the car when I bought it. I didn't shy away from the car, even though, you know, a lot of people say don't get a car that's already cut up, but they did a good job cutting it up and I wasn't worried about being able to install the quarters or the roof. I think it came out pretty good. I did do some epoxy primer on the inside, cleaned up the roof area or the railing that you see there, bracing and whatnot. Maybe it's hard to see, but the floors are excellent. Somebody's already smoothed the firewall, but they removed those fender to firewall brackets right there. So I reinstalled those, and you can see how much Bondo they used to smooth the firewall. So I'll be stripping that in the future and showing you that as well. I'll probably end up doing a flat piece of metal from ABC Performance instead of all that Bondo to smooth the firewall and do it the right way. That's what I did to this Chevelle over there. Came out pretty good, so I'm confident I can do it again. Frame's in great condition. No major rust. Other than, I don't know if I'd call it major rust, but this body bushing hole is a little oblong out around, so I'll have to fix that. But I have not noticed any other damages to the frame to be concerned with. Measurements all coming out really good. These are the parts to narrow the frame. Again, from ABC Performance. Never done this before. I'm gonna take my time, show you how it all goes. Not sure if I'm gonna use these brackets, which are for a rear coilover setup, using, I believe, ABC Performance's coilover. Those are the brackets for the for a rear end. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna use them. Yeah, let me know if you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos on this build of the 70 Monte Carlo. Have a good day.